Another update, which means there's going to be loads of updates. But at the moment, I've got to thank Nobby yet again. He was there. I was asked by a friend tomorrow to go out. So I'm doing my fighter, charging up, going out, flying me a fighter 2 tomorrow. But now Nobby said there's another update. He did say it's a long one as well. So there's a new update on the app as well. It's the 1.13.8. which I'm just opening up now. It's all go, isn't it? Right, so that's that done. So at the moment, I've just loaded up my Mini 4 Pro, my RC2. No, Nobby did say the 3 and the RC, there's no updates for that yet. So no doubt that's going to happen in the next couple of days as well. I think with the RC, that's got a pretty old app. But anyway, let's go into the about and see what. Check for updates. As you can see on the screen at the moment, it's the 1.13.5 and now it's 1.13.8 apparently. So we just check for that. Okay, so there it is, new firmware update. So there you got it. Mini 4 Pro and the RC2, and Nobby did say it was a long one. He said it was over half an hour and he had to do it twice, so we'll see how that goes. Obviously I'll speed this up. I'll get back to you in a mo. So I'm 54%, so halfway through already. Everything's been okay at the moment. I thought, well, that's going on because I'm going out tomorrow doing a bit of flying. So I'll obviously be going out to fly my Mini 4 Pro tomorrow because here in Spain it's getting late now. But I just thought, guys, battery charger. I forgot what you call them now. But God, I've got these batteries here from a farter. Now they can, on the old method, I've got an old IKEA thing that I just plugged my USB into. God, it used to take ages. But I was watching Captain Drone. Great channel, guys. A lot of information I get from that guy. And he was telling me about get one of these. It will supercharge. I can charge at the moment, here it is there at the moment, it's charging up my Mini 4 Pro batteries and my Farter batteries at the same time. And if I wanted to, I could just put my phone on the top there as well, charges that as well, which is just done now. Right, so my drone has turned itself off. I'll see what happens, why that is. Now it does do that at times, so don't worry about it. I'll just leave it for the moment. It will let you know if the drone needs to be back on. It usually does. Once it's been done for the RC controller, it would all turn it all self off anyway, and then we turn it all back on again, and then we go through to make sure none of the settings will be changed. But because listening to what Nobby was saying, it does sound like different countries, there might be some different. I got on here transmission countries and regions, so we'll have a quick check of that as well once it's all done. So yeah, get one of these. Getting there, 85%. So while that's still going, what I thought I will say, now tomorrow I'm going to go out testing my Mini 4 Pro, looking at a couple of videos, especially Nobby's and Gavin's. Didn't look like anything's changed really, other than this transmission thing. So when this is done, we'll check the transmission, because it does say certain countries. I can't say I've noticed any difference when my drone's been flying, but then I don't fly my drone a great distance. But anyway, I had a question, and I was just about to do the video tonight to put it together and put it up for the next couple of weeks' time. And now he's done a new update, I thought I'd better check it out. Anyway, his question was, can you please check and tell me if the auto mode is working while tracking a vehicle with the DJI Mini 4 Pro, which was a problem from one of your previous videos. Now, he is right. Now, funny enough, I was putting that video together, and what I did notice, when you put it into auto tracking For the vehicle, it would not work. So that will be something I will be trying out tomorrow. It only works if with the auto tracking if I'm walking, but in the car it wouldn't do it. But it used to do that. So we'll see if that works or not works. That'll be interesting. And just looking at the 86 now, I don't know if you can see that, but it's updated now. But it's in update, takes around 2 minutes, but it's in Chinese. But I've had this before on a previous update. It's always interesting. It's going to be in Chinese, but I don't think it will be somehow. So that's pretty good that the RC is updated itself. So what's happened now, it's the RC2 has come back on again now. I've got the blue light on, which means the drone's off. So I'm going to turn on the drone because it's saying connection guide. So I'm just going to turn on the drone again. Right, okay, so we'll just go over to the about, and we'll just go into check for updates. So I've got the 1.13.8. I'll just do this one as well. Just check the firmware. So I'm up to date. I always check the other one as well, just be on the safe side. So everything is up to date. That's good. So let's go through the other stuff. So safety. Right. Now, my obstacle avoidance, I did change it the other day. So I've got it on bypass. I'm going to put it on to brake. I like to put it back to the proper settings. That was my own thing. Got the radar thing yet. I've got return to home, 196 feet. Yeah, that's everything's the same. Okay, obviously because I'm in Spain, or part of the EU, EASA, my maximum altitude, especially for this Mini 4 Pro, because I bought it after January, and it's limited to, it's got 393 feet there, which is the 400 foot mark. Obviously never going to change, is it? Everything else looks the same. Okay, so what we'll do, transmissions. Now, Gavin and Nobby was on about, they might have done something a little bit different there. Now, to be honest, guys, doesn't mean nothing to me. So, if that looks different to yours, fantastic. But to me, I'm not into the technical side of all that, the transmission side, but from what I can see, it looks pretty normal. I'll never mess about with those sort of things. So, look, control. I've got it on Imperial, which is good. We've got everything else, large text, yeah, because I'm an old bloke. The gimbal, follow mode. Nothing there. The camera, let's have a quick look. Just the usual things. Flicker, broad lines, format, okay, SD card. I always do my SD card when I'm out, just before I fly. I always clear the card off, so I know I've got a nice clean card. Yeah, I think that all looks fine. So that's good news. I'll just go back to the main screen. Can't see anything on there. We've got 1080 60, which is my usual thing. Yeah, all looking good. I've got the M mode, hasn't gone, changed to something else. So guys, what I'm going to do, I can't show you the test flight, but like I said before, I'm going to go out, test fly the drone tomorrow. I'm going to try out this auto thing, the tracking auto. Let's get it right. Got it written down here, auto mode, and see if it will follow the vehicle. I don't think it will, but it's always worth checking out these things. Anyway, as always, guys, there's going to be definitely another video coming very soon.